Hey everyone, it's Dnoorian here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the correct place to put the sensor of the thermostat in your walk-in freezer or cooler. Now, I'm working on this walk-in cooler right here for a customer of mine, and I've noticed that the person who installed this walk-in cooler and the thermostat for it installed it in the incorrect place. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you where it is placed right now and where it should be. So the sensor of the thermostat is placed right in the middle here, right in front of the evaporator. Now this evaporator right here is blowing cold air straight to the sensor. That's a big no-no. You always want to place the sensor of the thermostat in the return air. In this case, the return air is behind the evaporator. So an ideal place would be in the back over here. Right here. Anywhere behind the evaporator. So yeah, I know it's a quick video, but I just wanted to show you guys. So if you ever have a walk-in cooler problem and you see the sensor is in a weird place, here you go. You do not want the sensor of the thermostat in the supply air. You always want it in the return air. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.